Hello friends, today in this video I will show you that how to enhance your music and on your Android device. And previously I already created a video for Windows. So there was a software, the name was the software is DFX Audio Enhancer, which was currently supported for Windows. But now in this video I will show you that you can change the sound quality on your Android device via DFX Audio Enhancer. And there are another application which is Bass EQ, and the both application is pro. I will share the link in description, so you can find the Google Drive link and download this both. Okay, so now let's start it. So first we will go for DFX Player Pro. This is an Android version, and suppose now if we want to play some song here. And now you already hear the voice, and now I am not using my headphone. Without headphone the sound quality is changing, and this is only supported for DFX, and you cannot find any other this Android application which supported this type of sound quality. And then but this is only available for that song which is already downloaded in your drive, so it is not supported for if you want to play some online music. So first you have to download this song. But we have another application which is supported to other online music. So if you are playing another music from Hangama or maybe another website or another application, that is supported in another application which is Bass EQ. So first suppose we are playing some song, suppose I am just opening Wink music, and I just play this song. So now you can pause that song from here also, but now this is currently off. So first let's try to on it. Okay, so now let's try to play it now.
बनदा ना कूर किसे तू ना डरदा मारदा गली च गेड़े मुंडा जिंदा कुड़ी नू इंप्रेस करदा मारदा गली च गेड़े हो मारदा गली च गेड़े हो
am playing this song without using the headphones, so this both are really amazing and you can go for it. And if you will buy both of them, then you have to pay something. So I'm just uploading on Google Drive and you can find there. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe.